It's the fine union of these four elements that brought about the birth of the Dietrich legend. The earth provides the ore and wood. Air nourishes the fire. Water powers the machines transforming iron into steel. For over 3 centuries, this molten metal has been flowing through the company's veins. In 1684, a long tradition of ironmasters arises here in Jägertal, a narrow valley in the Vosges region of France. Johann Dietrich, a banker, purchases this rundown forge and transforms it into a prosperous business within a couple of years. Superior quality products are manufactured here: tools, iron bars, cannonballs, which arouse the interest of some prestigious customers, including the King of France. For services rendered to the French crown, Jean Dietrich is knighted in 1761 by Louis XV. A year later, the German Emperor also grants him a title, Lord of the Holy Empire, thus making the de Dietrich family the first European citizens. Now ennobled and in possession of the resources needed for his forges, Jean de Dietrich decides to venture deeper into the development of the metalworking industry. Following Jägertal, new forges and foundries are added to the empire of the man known as the King of Iron. At the end of the 18th century, de Dietrich stands out as a prestigious French company thanks to the quality of its products. Smelting itself becomes an art, as the extremely fine grain of the iron lends itself to the production of decorative ornaments. However, this craftsmanship stirs jealousy and greed. To avoid counterfeiting, Louis XVI officially recognizes the trademark of the company. The hunting horn, the first recorded industrial symbol, is still the de Dietrich logo today. An avant-garde vision and an openness to new ideas. This is one of the founding values of de Dietrich. It was well illustrated during the troubled times of the French Revolution. Philippe Frédéric, a distinguished member of the Science Academy and mayor of the city of Strasbourg, commissions a young officer, Rouget de Lille, to write a battle song for the Rhine army. His wife adapts the score, and the song is played for the first time in the de Dietrich's living room. Brought to Paris by army troops from the south, this song later becomes La Marseillaise, the French national anthem. Ruined by the revolution, the de Dietrich company takes a quarter of a century to regain prosperity. It does so, however, under the impetus of a woman, the Baroness Amélie Louise. Once again, de Dietrich is ahead of its time. Not only is it a woman who firmly holds the reins, this woman also decides to diversify the company's activity. She hires talented engineers and launches the company in the production of railway tracks and wagons, agricultural and army equipment, and also ventures into a new business, household appliances. The word surely doesn't exist yet, with introduction of the first cookers. One of these cookers will go down in history, the Märzwiller. This coal and wood-fueled burner, with its unique slow cooking, is the ancestor of the modern-day appliance. It is this innovative state of mind that leads de Dietrich to a new-founded passion at the turn of the 20th century. Albert de Dietrich and his son Eugene become acutely aware of the huge potential of the automobile industry. They venture into car making, first using the Bollé license, which is soon replaced by their own model with the help of a young Italian mechanic, Ettore Bugatti. The engine of these first vehicles contained innovative technologies still used today. The cars win competitions, including the first ever Grand Prix, and the Bugatti legend is born. At the same time, the French factory of Lunéville starts manufacturing automobiles under the Turcat Mairie license. The Lorraine Dietrich is to become one of the most desirable cars until the end of its era in 1928. But the Dietrich history is not lacking in legends like this one. After the automobile, the railway takes to the limelight. The Reichshofen factory is upgraded and starts manufacturing wagons and carriages. The one at Mutterhaus starts manufacturing ploughs. At Niederbronn, central heating systems. At Sinsvilla, equipment for the chemical industry. And at Merzwiller, chimneys, stoves, and in 1934, the first electric cooker. Like the French Revolution, the Second World War has a violent impact on the company. Reconstruction and expansion are crucial, and they decide to move into international markets. The company is reorganized by business line. The domestic appliances division expands in a promising market, and in 1955, de Dietrich is the leading manufacturer of cookers in France.
Si vous aimez le sanglier grand veneur, sachez que la porte d'un
It is the 70s that mark the progress of de Dietrich in this field, with a revolution in design in collaboration with designer Raymond Levy, and a whole series of innovations. The first pyrolytic oven, built-in appliances, the microwave oven, ceramic glass cooker tops, the first oven with electronic controls, and the invention of the induction cooker in 1978. This internationally reputed example of French excellence can also be found in the TGV trains, an industrial adventure de Dietrich embarks upon as early as 1978. Ultimately, the de Dietrich legend is a contemporary collection of appliances, the reflection of a lifestyle shaped by elegance, innovation, performance, and quality. A French lifestyle, born more than 3 centuries ago.